to get Nimesh in. Nimesh, what are you picking up in D-Street Chatter?
Well, Nigel, record highs. You rightly pointed out, you can't complain for such a market, right? Every segment is firing. Reliance, banks, tech, all are doing good. But in terms of flows, it's a kind of a better seller's market. So at least at higher levels, the sense I'm getting is there is profit booking happening. There is selling is happening from the larger institutions as well. So that's a key message in terms of institutional flows are concerned. Even if you look at technology, after a big gap up opening, you saw some bit of profit booking in most of the technology stocks as well. So from the highs, most of the stocks are down 4-5%, right? So clearly, the numbers were better than what the street was expecting, but it was like so great for the momentum to continue. So some bit of profit booking there as well. And I guess the sector rotation continues. So today, pharma for a change is doing good today. A lot of the PSU stocks are doing good. And within PSUs, it's the rail PSUs which is doing really well. There is a lot of hope now that there could be further capex expansion from the government on the railway side. So RVNL, IRCON, IRFC, all are buzzing in on large volumes as well. So I think that's one which is doing good today. I guess the earnings are going to dominate, and within that, all eyes will be in the financial numbers, because HDFC Bank will report tomorrow, and on Saturday we have ICICI Bank as well. So if this market has to go further higher, it has to be from the financials, and within that, I guess HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank will be key to watch out for. So earnings will dominate the near-term trends. The markets are at record highs, but in terms of flows, my sense is FIs are better sellers.
And today there were a couple of large trades as well. So tell us some stocks that you're particularly focusing on in terms of news flow.
Sure. So in terms of individual stocks, I'm first focusing on the two large block deals, TFCI and Zomato. Both having very different moves today. TFCI is locked at 20% upper circuit, and again there was a large block, 6 to 7% equity got changed hands. It was part of my chatter list a few weeks back, and I had hinted that there could be a large block deal soon. There is a corporate body owns close to 18%, and my sense is they were sellers in today's block. So the disclosures on both sides, buyers and sellers, could be quite interesting in TFCI. The second is Zomato. That stock is down 4% in today's set after a large block. I understand the domestic mutual fund was a seller in today's block. So again, disclosure there would be interesting. In fact, there was a UBS note today, and it did suggest that maybe the Q3 is a bit soft in terms of earnings. So again, that is weighing on the stock as well. So that's Zomato. The second is Exide Industries. In a good market today, that stock is down 4%, large volumes as well. I understand the FIs are net sellers in that stock as well, so expect high delivery volumes in Exide today. Of course, the stock has done really well in 2023. The third stock is ONGC. Within the PSU basket, this is one stock which has actually caught a lot of HNI interest as well in the last many days, been a big move as well in ONGC as well. For ONGC, the street is anticipating a large dividend payout before the March end, so that's keeping the stock exciting. And the last one is Hudco. Big volumes on that stock as well. I understand some bit of HNI interest is back on that stock as well. And also for Hudco, the buzz is that maybe you'll hear of fundraising from the company very soon. So that's the reason why Hudco is buzzing in trade today.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much, Nimesh, for all of that buzz and all that talk from the street today. Let's move.
Well, thanks so much for tuning in to CNBC TV18. Make sure you follow us and stay updated on all our social media platforms.